In this video, we will learn about DevOps, what it is, how it started, and why it is so important today. We will explain DevOps in a simple and easy to understand way so that even beginners can understand it. By the end of this video, you will know how DevOps helps companies develop and improve software faster and more efficiently. What is DevOps? DevOps is a combination of two words, development, a dev, and operations, ops. It is a way of working that helps software developers and IT operations teams work together to build, test, and release software faster and with fewer errors. In traditional software development, developers write code, but another team, operations, is responsible for setting up servers, deploying the software, and keeping everything running smoothly. Sometimes these two teams don't communicate well, which can lead to delays, bugs, and failures in software projects. DevOps solves this problem by bringing developers and operations teams together. It automates many processes, reduces mistakes, and makes software development faster, more efficient, and more reliable. Now let's talk about where DevOps came from and how it all started. Before DevOps, software development was slow and full of challenges. Developers would write code, but it would take weeks or even months for the operations team to test and deploy it. If there was a problem, the teams blamed each other, and fixing errors took a long time. In 2009, a group of IT professionals started talking about how to fix these issues. A Belgian software engineer named Patrick Dubois coined the term DevOps to describe this new way of working. The goal was to remove barriers between development and operations and make software delivery faster and smoother. Since then, DevOps has become one of the most popular approaches in the IT industry. Major companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Netflix use DevOps to update their software hundreds of times a day without downtime. Now that we know the history, let's talk about why DevOps is so important. DevOps is important because it helps companies build better software faster. Here are some key reasons why DevOps is widely used today. 1. Faster software development. In the past, software updates took weeks or months. With DevOps, companies can release new features and fixes within hours or days. This helps businesses stay ahead of the competition. 2. Fewer bugs and errors. Since DevOps uses automation, testing, and fixing software problems happens quickly. This means fewer crashes, better performance, and a smoother user experience. 3. Better collaboration between teams. Instead of developers and operations teams working separately, DevOps encourages them to communicate and collaborate. This helps teams solve problems faster and deliver quality software. 4. Increased efficiency and automation. DevOps uses automation tools to reduce manual work. Tasks like testing, deployment, and monitoring can be done automatically, saving time and effort. 5. Scalability and reliability. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Google have millions of users. DevOps helps them scale their systems easily and handle huge amounts of data without downtime. 6. Helps businesses save time and money. By automating tasks and improving teamwork, DevOps reduces the chances of software failures, saving both time and money for companies. Now, let's discuss why learning DevOps is a great idea for your future. Learning DevOps is a valuable skill, especially if you are interested in computers, IT, software development, or cloud computing. Many companies are looking for DevOps professionals because fast and reliable software delivery is crucial in today's world. Some of the best paying IT jobs today are in DevOps engineering, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Learning DevOps can help you get a high-paying job in companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. Since DevOps is about automation and efficiency, it is also used in artificial intelligence, AI, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. If you are interested in technology and innovation, learning DevOps is a smart choice.